Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to show you a little project that I've been working on. But before I do that, I want to thank you all for your support, because I know that you guys are watching my videos and many of you are commenting, and I love the comments. And even though I have 415, I think it is 415 subscribers, to me that's big, because back in December I had about 319 more or less, and it was just there and there and there, and the numbers wouldn't go up. And here I was, trying to make videos, and content, and it's kind of encouraging when you see that the numbers do go up. So I've seen them go up, and now I'm at 415, and I have hope that I'll grow my channel more, and that's thanks to you. Thank you for viewing my videos and for commenting. So I really appreciate it. So I am working on more projects for you, because I want to surprise you with all these videos, and I have one here. This, I'm working on a project for Betty Boop. So that'll be another video using her in the project that I'm making with leopard vinyl paper, adhesive paper from the Dollar Tree, that I will show you in a minute. Also, I wanted to say that if I answer or if I reply to comments late, like let's say a week later, 2 weeks later, that's not intentional. What happens is that there must be some glitch in which I don't see the comments, and then I have to go back to every single video, and then I find that there were comments that I never saw and I never replied to. So I found myself doing that last night. So just forgive me if I reply very late, 2 weeks later, but that's what's happening. It's not intentional. I try to answer all the comments that I get. Okay, so thank you very much. And then, but going back to this, so I got from the Dollar Tree this vinyl adhesive paper, and they come in different colors and different patterns. I've gotten pink and blue, green. Now this one was really pretty, and I have a whole bunch of rolls that I bought through time, so I just have them handy for when I think of a project. So I am making a kind of like a little castle, but it's one room, a little castle room for Betty Boop. And I am going to use this for her. And I have, let's see, these cylinders. I know many of you might not be able to find these same ones, and these are nice because they're wide. But if you don't have something like that, you can use aluminum foil cylinders, and to make it more sturdy, and at the bottom you could always get a base. It could be a napkin ring, something to hold it so that it doesn't wobble. This one doesn't wobble that easily because, like I said, it's wide. And this is a cylinder that's from a film paper. So at work there's a machine that uses a film paper, and it's called a risograph, to make like a whole bunch of copies. So whenever that finishes, this goes to the garbage. So I say to myself, well, I can use these. So I brought these home, and this is what I've done. So I've decorated a few of them already. I have two here. The camera is on top of one of these, and then I have the other one, this one, to do. So what I did was I cut the paper to the exact length of the cylinder. So as you can see, it's perfect right on top. And this is adhesive, so that's all I did. I separated it from the paper and I made it like this. So that's the idea. So these four, there's gonna be four, they're gonna hold up a floor, and it's gonna make like a structure for Betty Boop. So that'll be a video coming up soon, because I am going to be working on 2 projects at the same time, which will be the little room castle for Betty Boop and the estate sale house that I just bought. So I'm going to be working on both at the same time and bring you videos. And I'm also going to bring you a video of a bar and a boutique that I finished. I have them ready, but they'll come soon. Okay, so that's it. So that's what I wanted to show you. I like the way these came out. They're adhesive, they don't peel off or anything, they're very sturdy. And again, you can use aluminum foil ones too. Okay, so I think that this will be it for now. And again, thank you for watching and thank you for your support.